Now the Excel Level 3B looks at an Excel add-in called Power Query. And Power Query is a very strong add-in which allows you to transform data that you've imported or connected to. So the idea is you bring data or you connect to data in Excel, and then you use Power Query to transform, clean, and manipulate that data really powerfully using a language called DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expressions, and manipulating that data so that you can then produce reports and insights about what's going on with that data. It also handles big data. So big data is data that typically is more than 50,000 records, and being able to connect to that data in Excel, whether that data is in a CSV file, whether that data is in a database, or whether that data is in another Excel file. You want to be able to load or connect to data in a variety of other sources with Excel and be able to transform that data using Power Query. That is what the Excel Level 3B course is all about.